so much stuff that I want to say to my mum and like talk to her about, and I just can't like. Fuck. I just can't bring myself to do it for some reason. Like even my mum, I just like, have this. I keep it on this like surface level fucking. I don't know why I struggle to just talk to her so much. Like just tell her how I'm feeling. Oh fuck man. Here's something I found out about myself. I'm very good at making connections with folk, like off the bat, and like also quickly being friends with folk. Like I feel like I'm good at making a lot of friends, but something I'm really not good at is making like best friends and really going below surface level. Like I feel like pretty much everybody I know, apart from a few folk obviously, but pretty much everybody I know, it's like I keep it surface level, and I don't know why. I think part of me wants to be alone, but I don't want to be lonely. So I think I'm always struggling with the those two things. And although they're different things, they're kind of in the same box, if you know what I mean. And I struggle with that, like, as everybody I know, I meet, I make friends with, and then as soon as that friendship starts getting even to a slightly kind of deeper level where it's like, oh, I might need to see this person all the time or interact or like talk to this person a lot, I somehow just kind of like run away or fucking, I don't even know, I just like shut everybody out or shut them out for this fear of, I think, like wanting to be, like want to be alone a lot of the time. I don't know why, that's fucking sad, man. But I don't want to feel lonely. So I think it's this dilemma I'm struggling with where it's like I don't know how to, like I don't know how to separate the two. And I don't know why I want to be alone a lot of the time. Like I don't know what it is about that, like kind of being with somebody all the time, like being around them all the time. And me and my wife struggled with this when before we were married and that, where like, she understands it better now, but where I just need the moments of just like me hanging about by myself. Because if there goes long periods where I'm not doing that, then I just become like not a nice person. Maybe that's something fairy of becoming like a, not nasty, but just like, I don't even know the word. Just like not nice to be around. Kind of just grumpy almost. And I don't know why that is. Because even like the other day, my mum was round and there's so much stuff that I want to say to my mum and like talk to her about, and I just can't like, fuck. I just can't bring myself to do it for some reason. Like even my mum, I just like, have this. I keep it on this like surface level fucking. I don't know why I struggle to just talk to her so much. Like just tell her how I'm feeling. Oh fuck man. And I think it just, I think it actually makes things worse. Just having like loads of friends, but not really any real friends. And like I do have real friends, but there's still like a barrier I keep. I mean, I don't know, that might be fucking normal, I don't know. That might be normal. Ah, fuck, right. I'll see you tomorrow.